Lesson number 5, the snake and the mirror. As we can see from the title, these two elements, the snake and the mirror, they are very important part of the story. So while I'll be discussing, I'll tell you why it is very important. Now coming to the story now, it is in a narrative form. Narrative means where a person is telling the story of another person. So that is the meaning of narrative. Now writer is actually telling a story of a homeopathic doctor, and it is a subplot within a subplot. Means that the writer is actually writing a story. In that story, he is first of all telling about a homeopathic doctor. The story begins where there are doctors who are sitting and telling about their experiences with snakes. Okay, and then there is a subplot. Plot है एक, उसके अंदर एक और plot है, उसके अंदर एक और story है. Now what is happening is homeopathic doctor narrates his story. So that's why एक main writer है जो अपने बारे में पहले बताता है. I have started writing the story about doctors. Now जो doctors हैं वो साथ में बैठे हैं. They are telling their story. Okay, and when they are telling their story, it is the story of a homeopathic doctor. So that's why it is a subplot within a subplot. एक story के अंदर एक और story है. In a very short way we can say it. Now the story is written by Vaikom Mohammad Basir, who is Indian independence activist and writer of Malayalam literature. So it's written by this person who is also a writer of Malayalam literature. Coming to his writings, Basir's writings are very simple. If you will see read the story, it is very simple story. It does not have very complicated words, or it's not very harsh to understand. It is a very simple story, but it has sarcasm, it has a touch of satire and black humor. Satire, sarcasm and satire means when you want to, first of all, sarcasm is when you want to say something but you're not saying that thing directly, you're using the word play and saying it in a very different way, knowing that the person should actually understand the right meaning. And then touch of satire. Satire also means that you find this idea is wrong. तुम्हें पता है, you know it very well that this idea is not correct, and you are using words again to convince the person that telling the person in a way that this idea is wrong, but you are using very simple and kind words. Similarly, black humor or dark humor means that humorous है, it is humorous, people will laugh at it, but that humor also has a very deep meaning. That humor itself is mocking the society or the thing that the person is talking about. So that is the meaning of satire, black humor and sarcasm. So all these elements are also being used in this story. Now quickly let's jump to the story.